The sound of panic roars through the streets of Joplin.
The very first one on this side of the road.
Rescue crews work frantically to find any sign of life.
We got a call that we had some credible reports that we got some victims here.
Oklahoma's Task Force 1 began searching through the rubble 4:30 Monday morning.
We're going to run the dogs over this pile right here and see if we get a hit.
After several rounds, the dog found nothing and moved on to the next pile. It seems like an endless job. As far as the eye can see, destruction and devastation.
Oh my God, it's incredible. It's unbelievable.
Kathy Shaw's son was on the second floor when the tornado hit.
Heard the sirens and pulled the couch over him, and the storm came up and pulled the couch off of him and then blew up the carpet and rolled him up in the carpet against the wall.
Her family is okay, but for many others, the tornado was deadly, leaving residents to do what they know best.
I just pray for everybody involved. That's the main thing. Just pray for their family.